Hello everybody, welcome to Jorge the Mentor's YouTube channel. I am excited to help you thrive with your Airbnb business. What I'm going to be talking about today is how to maximize your revenue as an Airbnb host. One of the determining factors on how much you can charge for your Airbnb listing is how many people you can accommodate within your space. Now let's say that you have 2 bedrooms in your listing and you have 2 queen beds. That means you could host up to 4 people. But what if in one of those bedrooms you put 1 bunk bed with a twin at the top and a full at the bottom? Now that's 3 people. Now you can go from 4 to 5. Now some bunk beds have a full at the top and a queen at the bottom. Now that's 2, 4 plus the queen in the other room. Now that's 6. In a few of my units, I actually am able to fit 2 bunk beds, which it's a twin full. So that's 6 people in 1 bedroom, which in a lot of cases when there's a family with a bunch of kids, it works out perfectly. In the 2nd bedroom, however, I don't have bunk beds. I only have 1 queen bed so that the parents are able to sleep comfortably. What this allows me to do is instead of host 4 people like my competition, it allows me to host up to 8 people at a great price. So of course, I get a lot more bookings than most similar listings in my area that are also 2 bedroom. Why? Because again, I am able to host more people and still create a comfortable stay for my guest. Another option on how you can accommodate more people is to have an air mattress available that they can utilize in your living room. So I have one available. It doesn't always get used, but whenever I have an extra large group and they message me and say, hey Jorge, would I be able to have 2 extra people? We could even bring our own mattress bed. We just want to be able to save some money. And so I let them know, hey, I don't mind. I won't charge you extra. I actually have an extra air mattress that you guys can utilize. Just know that it is going to be a little bit tight and there is only 1 bathroom. And it depends. Some people are like, yeah, that's totally fine. It just depends. You're going to have a group of people that sometimes their main concern is saving money, and they'll take efficient and fast showers so everybody's in and out. And at the end of the day, they're saving money for their vacation that they could utilize for something else. And then they might say, you know what, it's too many people for the space. And if they don't want to book, then that's great. Not a problem. However, this is going to give you a competitive edge to maximize the space within your space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, hit the little notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Check out the description links below and I'll see you next time.